Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, students. I don't know those who were present yesterday, beta. We had done this, inviting dignitaries,
Yes,
formal
ma'am.
invitation. Today
Yes.
we'll try and draft. Okay, let us try and draft. Let's invite the commissioner. Same process. I told you we should have an event which is very special. So decide which event should we invite him for.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, dear. Good morning. Tell me which event should we invite Commissioner sir for? You don't want to invite him? Should I change the guest? Children, class 12. Whom do you want to invite? You only decide. You don't want to invite anyone. Somebody has to come. Who should be the chief guest?
Ma'am, district magistrate.
District magistrate we did yesterday. So you will copy paste. So I don't want the district magistrate to come. And why are you troubling the district magistrate every day? He came
I'm Chief
yesterday also.
Minister.
He will
I'm
come
Chief
today
Minister.
also. Oh, Chief Minister. Oh, that's great. Even how many of you admire the Chief Minister of
I'm
your
Kim
state?
Jong-un.
Ma'am, not
Who?
really, but fine.
Acha, fine. Okay. How
Good
many of
morning,
you
ma'am.
seriously? Good morning. How many of you admire the working of the Chief Minister of your state? Nobody admires. Nobody likes his working style.
Ma'am, I support.
You
Fine it
support.
is. It is fine. Not that nice.
Fine, but not that nice. Okay. What about others? What is your opinion about the Chief Minister of your state?
Ma'am, it varies from topic to topic. Like in some fields, he is doing very good, but in some fields, our state is lacking behind.
Like, where is it lacking? Let us tweet
Law
him.
and
Law and order.
basically, yes, ma'am. I think some rules should be followed instead of just encountering persons.
Beta, the kind of
Ma'am,
actions
because
which are being
Supreme
taken.
Court is there. I think law is there to decide.
Supreme Court is there to decide what?
I'm like who is guilty or not. Like in UP police last year, I was reading a report recently. Like there have been around more than 10 encounters in 1 year, big encounters.
Exactly,
So
ma'am.
better just tell
And
me
ma'am,
if
everything can't be a coincidence.
everything can't be coincidence. I agree with you. Now tell me criminals like Vikas Dubey, who had more than 100 cases registered, why did the court give them bail? Why was he allowed to move out and kill 7 policemen? I think this is a good discussion. Some more people can join. Let's have one to one.
Ma'am, if we consider that case, then even government officials,
Ma'am,
after
in
being
that case,
fined, are out
yes,
of the
ma'am. In
jail.
that case, many ministers were also involved.
They are also
And
out of
many
the jail.
policemen were also involved, ma'am. But no name
The
of these
policemen have
people.
been the policemen have been suspended. There's an inquiry going on against them. And what about Atiq Ahmed? People like Atiq Ahmed who are in jail for about last few years, and nobody bothered. You know, I was reading that day he took the government land illegally and he made cold storage on those lands. All the panchayat gharwala land which you have in villages, which the government allows for making panchayat ghars and these schools. He took all those lands, rather captured or seized them, and he made cold stores on them. And the best part is the Food Corporation, the FCI of India, took those cold stores on rent. And the Indian government was paying him about 5 to 6 crore rupees per month as a rent for those cold storage. The government was not aware only that this land is ours. उसी के land पे he made cold storage and he was taking a good amount of rent from the government, state government. See the
My God,
nexus.
fooling the government.
Ma'am, sorry
It
to
is not
interrupt,
fooling.
but ma'am,
No,
some
it is not
students
fooling,
are.
beta. It is nexus. It is not fooling. It is not practically possible that the government was not aware of it. How can it be possible? Tell me one thing. It is not possible. He did not do it at one place. That was done at so many places.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Continue.
Ma'am, sorry to interrupt, but some students are writing on the group that they are in waiting room. Please allow them.
But I am bringing everybody,
Good
whoever
morning,
I can see. Good morning. Good morning. Anji, bache, continue. Let's continue for 2-3 minutes and then we'll move on to our letter writing. More?
For
See,
all these matters, judiciary is made. If we can decide all these things, but if police can decide
Yes.
all these things, then why would
Ma'am, I'm
we
not
need
especially
judiciary?
talking about this Vikas Dubey case. In recent number of encounters has been done by UP police, but in one of the case, it was later proved that the person who was killed was not guilty. Like he was working in an Apple company who was encountered. Later, it came he
Maybe
was a
one case
manager
I agree.
something.
But
Yes,
just
ma'am.
tell
So
me,
if
this
doing these
man,
things, ma'am, sometimes innocents are also killed.
beta, human beings, na? Human errors. In 10 cases, if there is one human error, I completely
Ma'am,
agree
but
with
in case of
you.
life, we can't say that it was a human error.
And when these people are free, how many threats to life? I mean, this person, Atiq Ahmed, and then we had this person from Rampur, I'm forgetting his name, Azam Khan. No, not Aj. I think it's Azam Khan only, if I'm not wrong. See,
Azam
Atiq
Khan
Ahmed is in
is a
jail.
politician.
Yeah. Atiq Ahmed is in jail and so many properties of his. He was taking the rent still. The judiciary did not bother to take an action against this criminal at all, anywhere. ठीक है जेल
Ma'am,
में
I
डाल दिया
think
डाल
not the police bother.
Ma'am, so
It was just because of the political pressure that they
yes,
encountered.
ma'am.
Ma'am, had the police, had they even bothered before, ma'am, they would have done it
Ma'am, instead of killing, they
already.
should have brought the whole nexus in front of the nation who all is
I
involved.
feel
Every
they
big
always
name should be
wanted to
there.
do it. Let me tell you
Should
very
come
clearly,
out.
the police always wanted to do it. It was only that there was no support from the government. And now they are
Ma'am,
getting the support.
before Yogi Adityanath, ma'am, the CM Akhilesh Yadav and ma'am that Lalu Yadav uh, kept him in the jail, ma'am. He was fighting a case, ma'am. Yogi Adityanath was fighting the case against himself, against that many, ma'am, unreasonable charges over him.
Yes, I agree
Ma'am,
with
now
you.
he's
I
taking
know.
the sympathy, he's taking the revenge from these all like Sapa parties, like Akhilesh Yadav and that Azam Khan and that Lalu Prasad Yadav, ma'am, these all were criminals, ma'am. In today's time, also, ma'am, ma'am, some of these parties, Karyakarta and people and some sort of ma'am, Adhyaksh, ma'am, they are like gundas in every place. So, ma'am, it is correct that, ma'am,
Yes,
they are in jail.
you have not seen Sapa Samajwadi Party rule. You must be very small.
And Sapato is, I also believe.
Every
I mean,
MP,
both
every
parties.
MP has a criminal
Ma'am,
background.
Atiq Ahmed even fought from SP.
Huh? Every MP, Azam Khan is one of them.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, he was the person who said for a district magistrate that इनकी कोई औकात नहीं है. He will come and polish my shoe. He is asking this. He's saying this. He commented this publicly on the district magistrate Rampur. A person who must be highly qualified, who must have cleared UPSC civil services, that too at the highest merit to become the DM of a city. And then he says that this man, I will get him polish my shoes. That kind of attitude and arrogance these leaders have, political leaders. They don't.
Ma'am, it was a time, ma'am, when the Sapa party was in rule. That ma'am, a person, ma'am, an individual was scared of these parties while buying any property because they simply come and give threats. We will kill the family. We will do this, that. And ma'am, there was no one who was able to buy a land or property piece of land, ma'am, because they just simply, मतलब कब्जा लेते थे, ma'am.
Exactly. I know I have seen these many things, though it is happening now also. I'm not saying that things have
Ma'am,
finished.
but it is quite less, very rare.
Don't you think judiciary is very, very slow in India? Very slow in India. How come they are acquitted? I was wondering, people like Dubey, With so many cases, how come he was on bail?
Ma'am, slower than a
चोर
tortoise.
चोर मौसे भाई.
No, what is the point? By the time
Ma'am, the
to they
biggest
will
thing
do
is
what not.
judiciary is independent only on paper. That is the biggest fault in Indian democracy. That is the biggest problem with our democracy, that we say judiciary is free itself. That is only for saying. There are many political pressures on judiciary as well. I think there should be some independent body for the means implementation means of all these things. And
No,
moreover,
beta,
like, and
there
ma'am,
is. This
many
is a fact. Hmm.
and ma'am, many like it is government only who make judges and all, means
And ma'am,
chief
the
justice and
main
all.
thing
It is
is
decided by
the weakest
government.
body
Instead
is the
of that,
investigation department.
some else method should be adopted for making chief
Recently, it was a
justice.
big controversy, if you remember.
Yes, ma'am.
One of
That bike
the
one.
judges from Supreme Court retired, and he was
Oh, yes, ma'am. That one.
selected for Rajya Sabha,
Yes,
isn't it?
ma'am.
And it
Yes,
was related
ma'am.
to Ram Mandir
He
verdict.
was not a common man. He was Chief Justice of India.
Yes, Chief Justice. He was the Chief Justice of India. And then there were a lot of controversies associated that he must be promised earlier. That is why the verdict was given in favor, and so and so and so.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
what I'm
Ranjan
trying to
Ma'am,
Gogoi.
say
if I'm
is
not
these.
wrong, there was already a rule established that a judge or a retired judge cannot work in a environment. I mean, cannot work for 1.5 year. But that rule was violated.
Yes, ma'am. And ma'am, the
Bill,
position
beta,
Chief
these.
Justice of India is the third most important constitutional position in India.
Yes, perfectly right. He is. He is no doubt the most important person if you see. When it comes to judiciary, there is nobody like him. Lot of confusions, collegium, this, that. There are a lot of issues there in judiciary as well, beta. So the Indian youth needs to realize, actually what I feel is no doubt there is no perfection.
Ma'am, in Indian judiciary, ma'am, 80% are follow nepotism because, ma'am, I have read in that uh,
You're talking about Kajju family.
ma'am, I guess he meant by Yadav family.
Nepotism in politics is Yadav family, but in judiciary we have a family.
Ma'am, nepotism is
Kajju.
everywhere.
And
It's
that was,
everywhere.
yes, ma'am, very famous
Yes, it's
nepotism in
everywhere.
UP.
Yes, it's everywhere. Thankfully, it is not there in the civil services as of now. So let's start. We are not inviting the district magistrate. We are not inviting the commissioner. Whom do you want to invite, Bhaiya? The one you feel is genuine, deserves it. Tell me. Not the chief minister. Some people are not in favor of inviting the chief minister.
Ma'am, the VC of Royal University.
Okay. This is a learned person, must be obviously the learned person. We have somebody, VC of Royalkhand University, we are going to invite. I gave a homework yesterday. This comes to my mind. Did you try to find out? Anybody?
Ma'am, that red light and blue light.
Earlier we had now who is authorized to use? Nobody? Tried to find out?
Ma'am, blue light
There
is
is a-
still authorized for ambulances.
I'm saying who is authorized? Who are the people who are authorized for this? You need to still find out, that means. So this is your weekend homework, children. It's very important. Let me know by Monday. Who is authorized for what? We are starting from here. Let us invite the VC, Royalkhand University. Everybody, very quick review I'm showing you. We'll write the name of the school. We will not write the address. We'll write the name of the city and the pin. I can ask anybody who is there in the meeting to write. So all of you, please be attentive. The first is going to be extreme left. This is it, your sender's address. So you'll have the school. No need to have the second line. I discussed yesterday, city, pin code, your date, then the name of the person, then the designation. Finally, this civil lines is again not needed. You can simply write RU, Shikohabad or whatever city name, then subject. Then event should be something very special. It cannot be a normal sports day or an annual day. So when you write, first thing that you mention in the first sentence is your event. In the second sentence, you can give these things: date, time and venue. These have to be there. Please do not mention this line. Okay, hoping for a positive this thing, something you can write that you are expecting that you'll get a thanking you in anticipation, something like that. And then this name, designation, the name of the school is not needed over here. Your time starts now. Let's select who all are going to write. Who all are there in the meeting? Come on, one by one. Let's write. Volunteer children. You people don't want to write, you just want to see. Who's going to write and share the screen? Only I will write, na? I will only share the screen. Okay, chalo, let's do it orally. What name of the school should we put over here?
Rohilkhand University.
Rohilkhand University. Too good. Here it will come
Bareilly.
Bareilly. And then we'll have this pin, hyphen pin. Let's put today's date, children. Come on, tell me.
26 September.
August 2020.
Fine. So nobody is writing. Let us all do it together. Don't write. If you don't want to write in the morning, early morning, you don't want to write, it's okay. So we are come to the date part is done. You know where the comma has to be put. The first letter of the month has to be capital. I'll keep reminding you the mistakes which you do. TH will not go as exponential. You will not write TH here. You will write here only on the line only. This T has to be small. First letter of the month is capital, then comma, and then this. Now here, I don't
Ma'am,
know
can
who's
we
having.
ma'am, can we write only 12, not TH? Then it is fine. If we write
Beta,
only
if you
12.
want to write 12, then first write the name of the month. Write August 12, comma 20XX.
Okay, okay.
But if
Ma'am,
you're
what was
writing
the
the date
question?
first,
Senders,
then write
how come
TH.
senders there? Excuse me, ma'am.
G, beta, speak.
Ma'am, what was the question? How come senders addresses Rohilkhand University? I guess
Yes,
we were
ma'am.
inviting
Ma'am,
someone from Rohilkhand University. Then it should be receiver's address,
we were
right?
inviting that Vice Chancellor of Rohilkhand University.
Acha, haan, we were inviting him. The school has to be here. SR International School is okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Everybody?
ma'am.
Very
Yes,
good, very
ma'am.
good. Good that you are attentive. I thought most of you asleep. So I don't know the gentleman. Does somebody know the name of the Honorable VC? I don't know the name. Does someone know?
No, ma'am.
No. So Mr. XYZ is done. So what are we going to write over here?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Piche.
Ma'am, can it be possible that the chief guest is different and the judges are different?
Ma'am, the name is Anil Kumar Shukla.
Yes, it can be possible. But then when you're sending an invitation letter, you'll send it individually, no? For judges, you'll send a separate letter and tell them, request them to come and judge. So letter will be different. So in one letter, we cannot mention 2 or 3 people. Same letter cannot be made that you also come, so and so is also coming. It is perfectly fine. Sometimes we have chief guest and we also have guest of honor.
Yes,
Some
ma'am.
other dignitary as a guest of honor.
Ma'am,
So
for
that is
example,
possible,
ma'am,
beta. Yes?
ma'am, like in exhibitions, there are so many different departments. So we
Yes.
cannot have the same person for judging.
Yes, judges are there, but here, beta, we are not writing about the event. Supposing we are telling the parents, there we can tell the judges for the event would be so and so and so and so. The chief guest would be so, the guest of honor would be so and so. But here, this is an invitation going to an individual. So when it goes to a judge, there we'll take it in a different way. Supposing we are inviting somebody to judge this art exhibition, then maybe we pick up somebody HOD of art department or art and culture department, Rohilkhand University. That way, HODs we can take up. So supposing it is something literature fest or something, then you can take up HOD English department or HOD literature department of Rohilkhand University. But invitation letter will be only one for one person. If you're calling many people, obviously you'll have to send separate letters. So here we are going to call our chief guest only. When you write VC over here, okay, Vice Chancellor, what is the thing you'll keep in mind, beta? What all has to be kept in mind while writing Vice Chancellor? The V should be capital. See over here. The V should be capital and your C should be capital. Okay? So if you're writing district magistrate, then D was capital, M was capital. If you're writing vice chancellor, then B and C. If you're writing chief minister, honorable chief minister, then it should be C capital and M capital. Clear, beta? Understood what has to be taken care of?
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
no need of writing this. We will not be writing civil lines. We'll simply be writing Bareilly. If you're writing Bareilly, then the first letter should be capital. First letter. Okay. Who all are there in the? What is the difference? Okay, let me ask you one thing. How many alphabets you have in English language, children?
26.
One,
How
I'm
many
26.
alphabets in English language?
one,
Yes,
No, ma'am, there's
One.
one alphabet. It has 26
and
letters.
26 letters.
Thank God. Thank God. This a question is very frequently asked in many interviews. I got 2 answers. I knew this would come up. Now we'll come up to the subject. For subject, the S has to be capital. For this invitation, I is capital. And then when you're talking about the event, beta, the first letter again is going to be
One
capital.
alphabet means?
One alphabet जैसे हिंदी में वर्णमाला होती है, बचपन में पढ़ा था वर्णमाला.
Yes, ma'am.
The entire thing is called वर्णमाला. And उसके अंदर हम लोग काखा गा पढ़ते हैं, पढ़ते हैं नहीं पढ़ते हैं.
Yes, ma'am.
So that वर्णमाला तो एक होती है और अक्षर बहुत होते हैं हिंदी में. Similarly, वर्णमाला in English is alphabet. पूरा A to Z एक साथ. It is alphabet. And individual जो आप अंदर पढ़ते हो A, B, C, D, they are letters. So you have 26 letters and one alphabet. Alphabet is your वर्णमाला. जैसे हिंदी में we have one and अंदर वो काखागा बहुत सारे होते हैं जिसे हम वर्ण कहते हैं. Similarly, English also alphabet is one, letters are 26. What is a palindrome, children, in English?
Ma'am, a word which we can read from both sides.
From
It's the
back
same.
Both the sides, yes, ma'am. It's
Give
same
me one
from both the
example.
sides.
Give me an example.
Malayalam.
Malayalam.
Everybody remembers only this one, only Malayalam.
And contact Nasa.
You should know one more, na, apart from Malayalam.
Ma'am,
This is
There
given
are
in all
names.
books. Which one?
I'm
Ma'am,
like
One
Naman.
name is there in Hindi, Naman. N-A-M-A.
Yes, Naman is also palindrome. Good, good. Siddharth is palindrome. How?
No, Siddha, Jahaj.
Jahaj. Jahaj is also. So subject is already done. Respected sir ho gaya. It is a matter of great pride that our school is celebrating so and so. On the school ground, we shall consider it a great honor, not favor. I told you that day also. If you please, could nahi lagana hai beta. Ye sab words avoid kara karo when you're writing formal letters. If you're writing could, then please add please over here. If you could please grace the occasion. Be very gentle, be very polite. ऐसे नहीं लिखते हैं. If you could grace the occasion. Okay, we would be honored if you could please grace the occasion or honor us by your presence. ऐसा कुछ बहुत अच्छा सा लिखो. And be the chief guest and give away the prizes. ये नहीं लिखना है. Soliciting a line in reply or email ये कुछ नहीं करना है. Waiting for a positive response या फिर just write thanking in anticipation ऐसा कुछ. And then yours faithfully. Will you be able to write if I give you this on Monday?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me see. Now this is one more. Yesterday we had done about science exhibition. We had done
Yes,
about
Sandhya.
a dance competition.
Yes, ma'am, we
Let's
have
do
done
We
something more.
did this one as well.
This
Yes,
we
ma'am,
had
we have
discussed.
done.
Apart from this,
But
dance and art science exhibition. Let us think about another event. Sports day we have already done. Chalo, organize some event in the school.
Farewell.
annual
Farewell.
function.
Chalo,
Annual
ठीक है. Farewell. Done. Farewell. Name this name. What was the name you people gave to your the farewell that you gave to class 12?
Born Voyage.
Yes.
Bond Voyage 2020.
You will also get an online farewell, it seems.
Alas.
You're going to miss on something of your life if this continues, beta. Farewell is a memory which is lifetime.
Ma'am, we are
Let's
already
hope
missing so much.
Let's hope things are better and we do have a farewell. I, as a class teacher of class 11th, will ensure that we have a nice farewell for you people because you really worked very hard last year. So let's have it
Thank
here.
you.
The principal, staff, students of Apex Public School, Bangalore. See, can you see this? Most important thing, we keep noticing things. We need to have a comma over here. Then take great pleasure in inviting you to a musical evening. This. Fine. How many of you got registered letters yesterday at your place? Reached? Not yet.
Ma'am, what?
Some registered letters were sent now for short attendance. How many of you received them?
I didn't get it.
Although
You did not get it yet. All those students whose
ma'am.
address was asked on the group day before yesterday, all of them will get letters. Address was asked day before yesterday from some students.
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
So the letters are already dispatched. Today you will get mail and WhatsApp also. Your class teachers are working on this. It will be sent by WhatsApp also. Parents are being called. Bacha.
And that was for attendance.
Yes, for address. Address जिसका जिसका लिया था, that was for attendance. You thought CBSE board registration, no? Good, smart.
Yes, ma'am.
Name something farewell. Come on, quickly. If you're doing farewell, name it.
But the last ride.
What?
Nice. Last
What?
ride.
Right?
Spelling wrong, it can mean
What
something
the
else.
movie did that?
Don't make it last. Lot of more things in life to come. Something else? You have used all your creativity in naming a farewell last year, so now nothing is left in your vocabulary, it seems.
Yes.
Now your judge comes.
Ma'am, the
Next
last
letter is
pending party, sort of, something like that.
last pending party.
Ma'am, what is
Such
he
a big
saying?
name. It will be too big a name, beta. Let's make it
He's after
smaller.
the life.
So here we again have the name of the school. This is not needed. City, dates. Then we have this Mr. Inder Sudama. Okay, he is the MP Alwar. You are invited. Acha, member of parliament is being invited for judging a one-act play competition.
Yes, ma'am.
This is something not.
Ma'am, he
just
would
a-
have been an actor. He would be an actor.
All politicians
good
are
point.
already actors.
Yes, ma'am.
This is a good point. Now
After taking retirement from acting, everyone is going in politics now.
either taking retirement or when getting no work. That is the only
Yes,
option
ma'am.
to have. That is a better one. When they have no work, they do this. It's a field where, and we fools, we actually vote for them. Let's
The
start.
fame
He's
is coming
judging
handy.
one act play competition. This MP is judging. We had a science exhibition in one of the schools in Bareilly. I don't remember. I think it was Padmavati or something. Last year we had.
Ma'am,
How many of
BBL
you?
also it was there.
And the MP had only come. He just went. He stopped at few places. He could not understand anything. He simply smiled and he said, "Bahut badhiya," and he went away. So
Ma'am,
then the judges,
Ma'am, who?
Huh.
Ma'am, who went away?
Padmavati, I think the school was, we had one science exhibition and he was the judge.
Ma'am, last year.
No, last year, I think it was. Last year, I suppose, maybe 2-3 years back.
I'm in Bareilly. Like 70% of the exhibitions have the same 3 judges.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And those 3 people are everywhere.
Ma'am, the judge that we had in their RBMI, the same person judged in Arc Institute of Pharmacy, and then there one more institute was there.
One from K, I forgot.
In the 3
For science
exhibitions, there was
exhibitions?
same judge. Yes, ma'am.
For science exhibitions.
Yes, ma'am.
They
Last
were
year.
from this, I think 8th or 9th class. They were almost like so sad because once they won and then you have already won, now you won't win in like another exhibition.
Ma'am, there was same project and same judge from our school. Same project was there. That project was awarded first prize, one at RBMI, I think. and consolation at another school. And at the third place, they said, now we have seen this project so many times, so you won't be awarded.
Take 2 times. So now we
Yes,
cannot see it. Obviously, they
the
must have
judge
said.
was same.
You people must have not expected the judge is going to be the same. Maybe
No
we have
one.
a panel for judges every time they are the same. Maybe they are from IVRI. I don't know the judges.
Exactly don't know where they were from.
Beta, don't write this line. Kindly confirm your acceptance by 20th October and oblige. Please don't write this line. Okay? Make sure don't write this. Rather, you write that we'll be honored by your presence, thanking you in anticipation. Something very nice. Your language should be something very gentle. That is very impressive. When you're inviting somebody, you need to be very gentle when you're inviting. Now, can we do one sample out of any three which you have liked? I've given you 3 types. Let's do any one today. Which one should we do? This is the second one. This is the first one I did with you. Which one would you like to try? This is the most common one which comes. So,
And second one is nice.
second one because it is short, na? That is why it is nice. So you like this. Who said it is nice?
Yes,
Nice.
Okay. Chalo, let's start. What are you inviting? First, let's decide. Then we'll see what names can be given. What is the event? You have selected, beta. Now you have to frame. Orally, I'm doing orally with you. Pardon, beta?
Ma'am, in the second one, we have to make the font bigger.
For the name of the school. Yes, for the name of the school, it's better. You have it bigger. And the name of the event also, it's better. We highlight it. See, you have to highlight it. It's your style of doing it. They have put some different color to highlight. It all depends on you, what you want to highlight. Priyanshu Arora is trying to tell us something, how to highlight. Oh, I'm honored today. Priyanshu, you're there. Priyanshu, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, dear. Where were you all these days and months and weeks? We were missing you. Where were you? Surbi ma'am is desperately missing you.
Ma'am, I attend the class, but I keep on silent.
Keep on silent. But you are showing your artistic skills. I like this style. How will you highlight
No,
this with
ma'am.
the line?
Ma'am, water spilled on my phone.
Acha, chalo isko hatao.
Sorry, ma'am.
And then it's okay, leave it. Beta, what event are we organizing? Surbi ma'am is missing you a lot, Priyanshu. Today you'll have a good encounter with her.
Class.
You better. Today there's going to be a good encounter. Has the letter reached your house? Priyanshu, has the letter reached your place? No. Still you have started attending the class. I thought after the letter will reach, then you people will come. Beta, what is the event? Come on quickly. No event.
Animation competition.
This reminds me, yesterday we had that Spick Mackey wala thing. They have shared some very good classical English movies ka link. They are showing. Anybody interested?
Ma'am, can you repeat?
And which classical movies of which, time?
Time is 6 o'clock in the evening. The link will be posted. You can see the movie. But I don't think anybody would be interested, no?
Yes, ma'am, no. At 6 time.
6 o'clock in the evening.
Now on the school group link will be posted.
Yes, but on the school group it will be posted. Speak Mackey is organizing some cultural event. They're showing some English classics. Let's see. If anybody is interested, you can send me a personal message.
What is there in classic movies?
Animation competition.
Classic movies are movies which you will not understand easily. Okay? English classic movies are those Purane Jamane ka, Shakespeare time ka movies where people will wear heavy clothes, walk slowly, speak slowly. You will wait for a dialogue to get over. Okay?
Yes,
Those kind of movies are classic movies. So only classy people see them. So they are called as classics. it'll take 3 minutes for the main actress of the movie to get up from her seat. Very slowly she will get up. She'll wear a gown. She'll wear a gown of 150 kg. Slowly
I'm
she
like
will walk.
Ramayana.
Like
I'm like in India we have Ramayan. The oldest one
Ramayana.
was like slow only. Lots of dialogues.
But here, so they take so much of time to speak only.
Hmm.
They'll wear those
They
cloaks,
take it to extreme level.
gowns, all satins and silks. They are all classies. Anji Bachi, we are organizing something, or today we are not in a mood of organizing also. If you're not in a mood of organizing or writing, then let's discuss something. If you're not
Yes,
in a
ma'am.
mood of doing this, let's play a
Yes,
game,
ma'am.
some vocabulary game. Let's discuss something.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Monday, then
Yes,
you write. Monday you will write all this. Now tell me what has to be done today. You want to play a vocabulary game or something, or you want to discuss something?
play.
Discussion.
Discuss.
Ma'am,
Let's play.
discuss.
Play.
Discuss on what?
Discussion, ma'am.
Discussion on your
And
farewell.
Yes,
What?
ma'am.
Let's imagine if you have a virtual farewell, like this only
yes,
online. Then what all you want? Acha, chalo, virtual or non-virtual, because I'll be organizing. I'm the class teacher of class 11th. So tell me what all things you
Ma'am, we
people
want non-virtual.
Chalo, number one, we'll try our best not to have a virtual farewell. What all you desire for your farewell? Tell me, share it with me. I'll try my best to do.
Some good food.
Good
Yes,
food.
ma'am.
virtual.
Good food is good. Yes, we'll take care of that. What else?
Menu would be
Ma'am,
decided by HSA.
Online delivery of the food now.
Ma'am,
Into our home.
What is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
second thing which has come up?
entertainment.
Entertainment. In entertainment, you want the same skits and dances and all. Okay, fine. That we will give. What else? Because I'm going
Some
to be the
good
host.
gifts.
Ma'am, good return gifts.
Good return
One
gifts.
MacBook to everyone.
And they can be delivered by post easily. So no problem.
Adi Sharma. Adi Sharma.
Yeah,
No,
Everybody.
ma'am.
Heavy gift.
Ma'am, one MacBook to everyone.
You want a school to get broke.
Yes.
What else you want? Good titles. Missing out on an integral part. Good titles. Signing off.
No.
You
Ma'am,
remember the last batch?
ma'am, the most.
Had,
Ma'am, the main thing could be a DJ, ma'am, but sorry, ma'am, we couldn't be on there because of Corona.
Ma'am, Netflix subscription for lifetime.
Wow.
Hmm.
Wow.
Okay.
Wow.
Wow.
Lifetime.
Lifetime subscription. Seriously? What do you watch on Netflix so much that you are so fascinated by this Netflix? I wonder.
Abhay Singh
TJ,
Abhay,
Abhay, please
Abhay?
share. Abhay, please share to us
Abhay,
that we can also watch.
what do you watch? I don't know, have Netflix. I don't watch anything on Netflix, so I don't know about Netflix. What all you have on Netflix? Do we have something good there?
Ma'am,
Yes,
movies
ma'am.
are
Netflix and
Yes,
chill.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, because
There
the
is,
series you have to watch, you might not be having time. But movies you can always have time for.
Movies, I
Ma'am,
hardly
like
watch.
thriller
Last
movies are
movie
nice.
I
ma'am,
watched
every
was
sort of
Bahubali.
exclusive movie possible.
I watched last movie was Bahubali. After that, I have not seen any movie. If something is good, something is different, we can always spare out 3 hours to go and see. Otherwise, I go and
Ma'am,
sleep
you
in
should
cinema.
see Bird Box. You should see Bird Box on it. That is an amazing movie.
Which one?
I haven't watched that. Bird Box.
Ma'am, the Bird Box.
Bird Box.
Ma'am, there are
Okay.
different genres. Like if you're interested in
Yeah.
science, you can watch that. If you have liking for drama.
Actually, you get all these options on Netflix.
Yes, ma'am. It's divided.
Okay. So you can't shift
And
once
Princess
if I
Diaries.
opt for
No, ma'am. It's everything is available. We